Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to circle crop in Canva. So for this, we need to go to Elements. Let me clear you one thing that there is no as such option where you can circle crop directly, but we have trick that is you need to go to Frames and here you need to choose the round frame here. Once you choose a frame, then resize it and fit it in the frame. Once you're done, now go to Uploads and here you need to choose the image that you want to circle frame. Let's say we want to circle frame this image here. So you need to resize the image. Just drag a little so it will automatically adjust it in the frame. Now double tap on the image and from here you can change the location of the image or you can resize the image like this. And now it is circle crop. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.